Hi everyone, today I bring you a super growth hair mask that will double your hair growth in 30 days. This mask will not only make your hair growth faster, but it will grow stronger and healthier. For this recipe, you're going to need a container. I'm using a measuring cup, 2 eggs, Amla powder, yogurt, honey, and olive oil. This is an olive oil mix that I made before. I'll bring to you the recipe in another video. Now that you have gathered all your ingredients, first crack your eggs. Mix your eggs so they can be a little bit watery, so when you add the amla powder, it's easier to dilute. So now that you have mixed your eggs, let's add the amla powder. This is an almond powder that I have used before, and I just have like less than half a bag in it. So let's add all that in, and be very careful not to spill it, because then you'll be sneezing all the time. So let's pour all that in. Now let's mix this really good, making sure that it doesn't have any crumbs or lumps, because you really don't want all that stuff in your hair. And it's very easier to apply if it's on a smooth paste. Now that you have mixed that, let's add the yogurt. I'm going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons, but feel free to add more if you do understand that you're going to need more because you have longer hair or thicker hair. My hair is curly medium length, so that's all I'm going to need. Now that we have that in, let's add the honey. I'm using organic honey from California. You can use whatever honey you have at hand or at home. The more cleaner the product, of course, the better the recipe and the better it's gonna be for your hair. I'm just adding some in it. I'm not really measuring it, so feel free to add a little bit more if you think you need more. Now I'm going to add my olive oil, which is the mix that I made before that I was talking to you about it. And I'm just pouring as much as I think I'll need in my hair, because my hair is pretty dry right now. So it will really need some good moisturizing in it. So now that we have all our ingredients, let's mix it up. And once again, I repeat, you have to mix this really well, because the amla powder is this powder is kind of hard to dilute. So you have to mix and mix and mix until the paste is really smooth without any lumps. You don't want those lumps in your hair. So you want a very smooth, kind of watery-like kind of paste. And the more you mix it up, the better. So this looks like it's pretty good, and it's good, and I think we're ready to go. Now apply this mix in your hair. You can divide your hair by 4 or by 2, and it's better if you apply this in your hair by section. It will make it for easy application and for easy wash. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.